Welcome to Data Ad Hoc channel. Today's stream is stream number 28, and we will discuss about one of the uh, best data which I have observed, and it on different social media. If you are fan of database, then you must have seen somewhere on social media or LinkedIn or in day-to-day discussion about this visualization. So let's check. So this is the visualization I was referring to, and it shows like how Americans spends their day on on minute to minute basis, traveling, leisure, sports, religion, phone calls, sleeping, personal care, education, work, housework, shopping. So and there is a traveling in between. So let's discuss about this. So it is originally created by Netanyahu, and a day in the life of American. This is how America runs. So uh, for before this visualization, he already created two visualization, like uh, most common use of time by age and sex. So uh, on average day at particular time, what are percentage for male and females for different age group, did the activities below. So like for uh, right now, for males, for age group between uh, 65, more than 65, did the activities below. So 40% sleeping as of now, and only a few people are doing voluntary activities. For females, they also sleeping. It's early morning in India, but I think for in US it's like late night. So if you check for uh, 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., then socializing, relaxing, leisure time. Then for male, same. If you change for different age group, then the this bar chart will show differently. So for this, one of this chart is created by Nathan, and other chart is like counting the hours. This is how you and America spend each day. So like for each day, uh, like how many hours did you spend working yesterday. So by default it will be 8 hours, but if you want to change, check for others, if you were any person working around 10 hours to 11 hours yesterday, then we can see like in what category or what beings that range, that particular value it falls. Like for 11 hours, if you work for 11, then you are in this category. And most uh, 8 hours is the uh, like dominant category in this criteria. Similarly for uh, like spend how on household activities. For household activities, I think 2 hours 30 minutes is uh, common, but you can also check for most of the time it is 0 or 30 minutes. Then for how many hours caring for others in household yesterday. So these are uh, what can I say, precursor charts he had created before uh, actual this chart or this database. Now later he wanted to see closer to the individual and more granular sense of how each person contributes to the pattern, and he wanted to see how person's entire day plans out. So for different activity on different uh, minute to minute, how those activity changes, and so see he works from home, so he was interested in to check what's on other side. So he used American time use survey from 2014, and this table we will see in shortly. So it like mention about 24-hour period on like different activities, uh, and like provided in hourly basis. So he used that data and stimulate single day for around 1000 Americans representative for the population. So the sample size is 1000, and from that 24-hour period, each it uh, like grinded till minute data. So how is that possible? So let's check on that. So from that around 1440 transition metrics he has created from time varying Markov chain. So this particular activity, like for time varying Markov chain, is type of Markov chain where transition probabilities between states are not constant over time. So uh, that we will see in short time. I will discuss. We will discuss that as well. So regarding this data viz, we can see for like uh, around 880 8:20 p.m. in US. So it's this visualization in slow mode, and there is notes like dinner done, time for relaxation, TV, games, hobbies, and space socializing. And if we change mode or speed to medium, then these minutes are going fastly, and you can see the difference. And it's this it seems this animation is with this animation we can relate our daily to day routine, uh, fast life. Let's 10-15 winding for the day. From leisure time people shift to personal care and sleep, and if we change to fast mode, then there is a lot to like whole of animation where people are now sleeping, and we can say almost major part are in sleeping mode. Now it's for like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and people are changing their locations of like activities. Here we can see they are going for work, housework, then age for education, and in sleeping this group is almost disappearing. It's 12 noon, and it's almost done. So this particular activity or animation we can see like for different dots, or like each activity represent dots, and different color represent different activities, and in between this particular movement it refer to like how that particular people are uh, changing their activities, like in between their transition. So each dot represent person, color represent the activity, and time of the day uh, here we have seen. And as someone changes activities from sleep to morning commute, the dot moves accordingly. So that shift in activity we can see by this animation. It was unique idea, and it still we will see in somewhere that someone from database aspirant, they check for this database and try to understand that what that I'm doing now. So for like that data have 4 a.m. to 24 hours, for 4 a.m. to next 4 a.m. 4 a.m. and they you can see people head to work, run errands. So from 1000 dot floating around, it can be challenges to keep track of where all those people went. So before this visualization, he tried to understand that how that database should work or should be visible before actual database. So here we can see for waking up, he drew lines, and for different activity we can see actual those lines between that period. So for same for lunch hour, we can see during lunch hour time, people are relaxing, eating, drinking, household work, or in work, personal care, getting off work. So for from whenever you create database, do not start immediately. Try to understand data. Try to uh, like create draft version of database where uh, what you want, and what is the exact data available, and what your perception of that data, and what you want to create from that data. So create those sketch or try to uh, make draft, like from to take inspiration. So that's Nathan have done here. From this he must have got idea that what will be the end product from that data table. So this article is about point of view from Nathan's view, and later we can see more details in Medium article from Harsh Rana. He have mentioned that he uh, like presented date table. He mentioned technical details about that data, and uh, Nathan's data viz. So actual data is this one, where uh, we can see for all total activities are should be 100% for each hour, 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So it directly moves uh, from starting of hour to end of hour. So and there are percentage for each and every activity, like sleeping. Then in household activities there are subcategories: eating, drinking, then personal care activity, then sleeping. So there are activities and sub activities mentioned there. So here we can see that there are additional activities mentioned here, which Nathan haven't considered or excluded, because is for creation of that work. Otherwise this database will be more crowded, should have been more crowded. So he avoided that. We can see that data is clean and simple to visualize. However, there is a like issue in that, like uh, from 1 hour to another hour, people engaging activities would remain unchanged for 59 minutes out of the 60 minutes. So if you go through only hour to hour basis, then like for uh, start of this 12 p.m. we will see this table as it is without traveling any person, and suddenly it will change to 1 p.m. directly, a kind of flash kind of thing, and all the groups as sizes changes accordingly, so there won't be any animation possible if we consider only a hover part. But that uh, changed by Nathan, and it converted he has converted it into minute basis with time variant Markov chains. He calculated transition probability between two activities based on percentage of people changing activities to approximate reality. This allowed him to convert the originally discrete data set into more continuous one. So I am not sure about like how much it seems he used R and dot like R for analysis and dot node JS for web animation, but I'm not sure like how exactly he actually created with code and with that platform in real world. So this is all theory we have. Data changes very frequently, so from continuous data showcasing the changing proportions of people engaged in certain activity when it's changing every minute. So though at start of like start of this 1 p.m. you can see uh, people are in this group will move to different group at 2 p.m. but in between for minute to minute basis we can see movement. So that part helped Nathan to create that animation from this uh, Markov chain method. He had used aggregation and looping for so creation of group multiple attributes, and on he as we mentioned earlier he used only major activities, so effectively reducing the number of moving parts on the screen. Otherwise it would have been more crowded database and other and pain in the eyes, so that why. So uh, this is particular animation is for from Nathan Yahoo, and if you go to his website flowing data you can see there are more beautiful data is available you can refer to and uh, take inspiration and try to your own uh, try to create your own database as well. So that's it for today for database. We have tried. I tried to understand how US people spend their day on minute to minute basis. It was make note here that it was from 2014 and it's out almost 10 years later, though the uh, those activities now have shift like it will be it is not same as 2014, but the essence will be same like for different activities how people will react in this particular animation or database. Here we can see there are more like uh, mm, more kind of social like technology related activities could have been implemented here for current role current time, but essence will be same. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and Let's meet tomorrow with another data ad hoc. Thank you for your time, and let's meet tomorrow with another data ad hoc stream. Thank you.